Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. Today we're on the Blackstone again. We're going to cook some stir-fry ramen. So stick around, I'll show you how to make a quick, easy stir-fry ramen. Alright guys, we're going to get our chicken on here first. We already cut that up because I figured you could figure out how to do that without watching me. Put a little bit of oil on our grill. Alright, we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, keep it simple. Alright, we're going to get this chicken cooked. Alright guys, now we got our frozen vegetables here. You can do fresh, but remember this is quick and easy, so we're doing the frozen ones today. So I'm going to get those over on this side and start cooking them because our chicken's about halfway done. Alright, so we're going to give our veggies here a little salt and pepper as well, because what isn't better with salt and pepper on it. Just like that. And keep cooking. Alright guys, we're going to get our chicken, our veggies mixed together, get some sauce on these, then we'll get our noodles on here. Alright, and if you want to do it the lazy man's way like me, you just buy a thing of sauce, whatever you like at the store. This looked good to me, so we're going to try it. Just going to put a little bit of that on there. It's pretty strong. Pretty strong. It is. Good thing we didn't go too much. Probably add a little bit of Okay, now we've got our ramen noodles that my assistant cooked.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, gelatinous. We're gonna add a little bit of water to those to help break them up.
My bad, guys.
Huh? Time for a little more sauce on these noodles, guys. We're going to stir this up. We'll be ready to eat. Alright guys, our stir fry is done. Not bad for a quick, easy meal. If you just don't have a lot of time and you're in a hurry to cook a meal, use the frozen vegetables, the ramen. Takes you 10-15 minutes to throw this all together, and it's really good. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.